behind the scenes of my photo shoot.
Goodbye, everyone. My work.
Camera do smile. I know. Photos are done. We are currently in the mall. Look at my hair, not standing a chance. We are currently in the mall. We're gonna go grab something to eat. And then, yeah, we'll check back in with you guys soon. Anyways, guys, we're back in the car. I'm just waiting on Janasia. She wanted McDonald's. I wanted Chick-fil-A. It is actually not that hot today, but look at this hair. Like, not standing a chance. Good thing my photos are over, but like anyways, thank goodness I got my maternity photos out of the way. That was like the last thing for me to do besides start my nesting, so I'm super excited about that. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat this spicy sandwich meal, and I'm gonna start making my way home. It's rush hour, so I'm gonna be in traffic. But shout out to my makeup artist, Afia Beauty. If you're in Toronto, book her. She's been doing my makeup for 9 years, since 2016. And she does such an amazing job every time. I love her work so much. But I can't wait to see my photos. I hope they turned out beautiful. I might do photos once more, just depending on how I'm feeling. I feel super tired. The baby's like pressing on my ribs, so we're down to the wire, guys. I'm excited but overwhelmed with joy as well. A little bit nervous. One thing about me is I don't really like holding newborn babies. I think they're so fragile, but it's my baby, so I'm obviously gonna have to get used to that. So, but yeah, guys, see you guys when I get home. All right, guys, so I'm home now and I've decided to put together my stroller. I don't know how much of it I'm gonna put together, because if it gets too much, then I'm just gonna pass it off. So I don't know if you can see that, but I got the mixed neck stroller with the Pippa car seat. So I really didn't do too much research into strollers. With my daughter, I had a maxi cozy. That was like the stroller of strollers then, or the bugaboo. But she had the maxi cozy, and then 12 years ago, my son had the Quinny, which they were both very good strollers, but this one seems to have the most positive reviews. So I just decided to just go with this, less headache, whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it together. So I got it in the color Caviar. And they had two colors that I seen. One was like a lighter, like tan color, and then this one, and then the black one. So I just thought, you know what, I'm just gonna go with the black. It's easy, simple, it won't get dirty quick, whatever the case may be. So let's go ahead and put this stroller together via montage, because yeah, let's go. So as you can see, I'm struggling already. Maybe I should read the instructions first, because these are definitely the wheels. So we have two wheels. These definitely go in the back. And then we have, whew, already out of breath. Oh my God. This is what happens when you want to do everything yourself. Like, girl, you don't have to do this. And then the 2 front wheels. This looks like it's the seat. This is like, I'm gonna need to get some scissors. BRB. We got it! So cute! So I think the brakes are on right now. So that part's done. So thank God for YouTube, because I couldn't figure out how to put the insert in properly, but we got it. So I'm gonna now put the bottom pieces in these slots, and then this part, and then yeah. However, he won't be using this part till around 6 months. They did say you can put an infant in here somehow. I seen a video where like the seat, this part is like up, but I also have the car seat, so I'm gonna go ahead. Actually, I'm gonna wait for the daddy because I'm tired. I will show you the final look very soon. I was trying to decide between getting a crib or a bassinet. I just thought this was more convenient in the beginning. I am having a scheduled C-section, so this will be easier. It zips down at the side. I got it off Amazon. It's called the Bedside Sleeper, so I thought this was just going to be a good option to start with. But let's get right into building it. So this is what the bassinet looks like. It came with a little mattress. I am going to get some mattress covers. I might swap it out. I don't know. It looks a little bit thin. But it came with this cute little mobile. And yeah, so it's nicely set up. Alright guys, so moving on to the next item. I'm going to put together his chair. I already opened it. It's from 0 to 6 months. It's by Ingenuity. It's their bouncy bounce chair. I got it as a baby shower gift, so why not? I was looking at a couple others, like a darker shade one, like a black or like a gray on Amazon, but I thought, you know what? I already have a chair. Let's make use of this one first, and then if I need to upgrade his chair to a bigger size, I'll just go ahead and do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and put together his chair. Alright guys, so this is what the chair looks like. It has a cute little mobile, a nice little head pillow. And this is what we're working with for now. I think it's cute. Oh. I do need to get some batteries. I think it comes with a vibrating part for soothing. So I'm going to go and get some batteries and then install them later if I don't already have some at my house. So far I've put together the bassinet, his swing, his stroller. I'm actually gonna go show you what the stroller looks like with the car seat part, which he's gonna be in for 6 months, and I'm gonna go and do that now. All right guys, so this is the stroller all put together with the car seat on. I got this little cute sign from Shein. I'm gonna hang it, I don't know if you guys can see it. It's pretty high. I love this stroller. Yeah, so this is what the stroller looks like. It's really tall girl or tall man friendly. So if you're tall, I would 10 out of 10 recommend the Nuna mixed car seat. Sorry, this is the Nuna mixed stroller with the Pippa car seat. Alright guys, so that's what I have done so far. Thank you so much for watching. In my next video, I will be doing more nesting. So if you like and enjoy what you see, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And leave me a comment below if you enjoyed this video. And maybe some other suggestions for maybe baby swings. Because the one that I currently put together, I don't really like it. It's kind of, I don't know, it seems like it's not going to be comfortable for the baby. We are getting down to the wire. Super excited. I will see you guys in the next video.